Did you know kickboxing can make your bones as strong as steel while boosting your immune system? Let me show you how this powerful workout changes your body. In today's data-driven world, finding the right exercise can feel overwhelming. But kickboxing stands out with its scientifically proven benefits. Each punch and kick strengthens your bones, increasing density and reducing fracture risk by up to 20%. The high-intensity movements trigger your body's natural defense mechanisms, releasing immune-boosting compounds while lowering stress hormones that can weaken your system. Regular bone density scans reveal remarkable improvements within 6 months of consistent practice. Blood tests show enhanced white blood cell counts and reduced inflammation markers, confirming your strengthened immune response. This combination of benefits makes kickboxing a powerhouse workout for overall health. Ready to punch your way to stronger bones and a bulletproof immune system? Drop a comment telling us your favorite kickboxing move.